Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Irmani Malmunah and my partner is Atar Wahyu Pangestu and Fahrul Almas Radifa. We from group 6 and we want to presentation about DHCP server configuration using Cisco packet tracer. First, I want to explain what is DHCP server. DHCP stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. DHCP is a protocol based on client or server architecture that is used to facilitate the allocation of IP address on a network. The computer that provides the IP number is called a DHCP server, whereas the computer that makes the request is called the DHCP client. Next, LAN network and client server. LAN or local area network is a local network that connects two or more computers in such as laboratories, building, cafe, small-scale office, as well as is one internet cafe. The benefit of using a LAN are that each user can exchange file easily, can share using a printer, can store data centrally, and can communicate with each other using computer. Client-server network is one of the network criteria based on the role and relationship of each computer in processing data. On this network, there are one or several computer servers and client computers. Next, star topology. Star topology is a network topology in the form of convergence from the middle node to each node or user. In star topology, each computer is connected using a device called a hub or switch. The function of a star topology is as a relation between one computer with another computer in a computer network. Both the computer as a server or a client.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fahrul Almas Radifa, and next is the component used. The first one is server. The server is a computer that functions to control the network. From this server computer, we can control, send data, receive data from the workstation computer or a computer system that is connected to the server. Next is switch. A switch is a piece of hardware found on a computer network that functions as a liaison between computers. The switch receives the message that has been linked to it and forwards it or send the message to several devices that has been referred to. And the third one is client. Client is a computer system or a process that requests a service from a computer system or the other process. The workstation that requests the contents of a field from the file server, it called a client or the file server. Next is IP address. IP address or Internet Protocol address is a number of cable assigned to each device that is connected to a computer network that use the Internet Protocol for communications. IP address have two main functions, namely the network interface, host, and location addressing.
This is assembling a network consisting of server, switch, and client. Next, create address each client. This is a scheme network. After set IP server on the desktop, then select static, then enter the IP server. The next, set DHCP configuration, then enter number 2 for the star IP address and enter number 6 for maximum client or user, and save. And this is check the DHCP IP configuration and automatically get the IP PC0 until PC5 so that it can connect the server. Thank you.